Hello children, welcome to Electron Chemistry Center. This is VKM. In today's video lecture, we will be discussing about states of matter, that is gaseous state as well as liquid state, class 11 chapter 2019 JEE mains questions we are discussing. Right children? Now let's see the first question. 0.5 moles of gas A and X moles of gas B. There are two components A and B and those moles are given. Exert a pressure of how much? 200 pascals in a container volume of 10 millimeter cube, so 10 meter cube at 1000 Kelvin. It is a temperature. R is the constant and you have to find it out the X. Means these X moles you have to find it out. Right children? So let's make a look on it. PV is equal to nRT, as you know. This is ideal gas equation. We have ideal gas equation. That ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. Pressure how much they have given? 200 Pascal. Volume how much they have given? 10 meter cube. Number of moles is 0.5 moles of A, X moles of B. Both are present in a single container. R we are not substituting. Why? Because all the options are given in R only in terms of R. So temperature is 1000 Kelvin, right? And these three zeros and these will be cancelled. And now what we have? 2. Send the R to this side. 2 by R. 0.5 plus X. This 0.5 I can write it as this. I can write it as 1 by 2. That you know. So what I can write it? X is equal to 2 by R minus 1 by 2. So take LCM, you will get 2R. Then here 4 minus R. So X is equal to 4 minus R upon 2R. This is the X value, guys. So option 4 is the correct answer. Volume of gas A is twice than that of gas B. The compressibility factor of gas A thrice than that of gas B at same temperature. Temperature is same. The pressures of the gases for equal number of moles. Number of moles are same and temperature is same, means constant. So what is the formula of compressibility factor we have? Z is equal to PV by RT. But two gases they have given. For gas A, compressibility factor is ZA, and for gas B, compressibility factor is ZB. And then this is R is constant, T also constant. So I can write this as PAVA upon PBVB. But in terms of compressibility factor factor of gas A thrice than that of gas B. For suppose for gas B, compressibility factor is ZB, and for ZA it will be 3ZB. And pressures of the gases we have to find it out. So PA upon PB. But once if we talk about volume of the gas A is twice than that of the gas B. For suppose if volume is VB and VA will be 2VB, right guys? So ZB gets cancelled, VB gets cancelled. Then what will get it, guys? So if you just see 2PA, PB send it to that side, it will give you 3PB. This is the answer. This answer is there in option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer, guys. See the next question, guys. The combination of plots which does not represent isothermal expansion of an ideal gas. Among these, okay, 4 plots, which does not represent the isothermal expansion. Guys, isothermal in the sense constant temperature. Temperature must be constant, guys. If temperature is constant, then it is said to be isothermal expansion. If temperature is constant in the sense, which gas law is applicable, guys? Boyle's law. Which gas law is applicable? Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. PV is equal to constant, volume of given mass of gas, Vm. PVm is equal to constant, or else I can write it as P is equal to K upon Vm. PV is equal to constant, that you can see in graph C, guys. So howsoever the pressure is applied, PV is always constant. That indicates a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis. So C obeys. P is equal to K upon Vm. This equation is obeyed by graph A, that is in option A, right? Sorry, in graph A it obeys the P is equal to K upon Vm equation, right? Graph A. But whereas here in B as well as in D, these two do not obey these two equations. So B and D does not represent the isothermal expansion of an ideal gas. So option 1 is the correct answer for this. Let's see the next question, guys. An open vessel at 27 degrees Celsius is heated. 27 degrees Celsius in the sense this is 300 Kelvin. So initial temperature, that is T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin, is heated until 2/5 of the air in it has escaped from the vessel. That means at this point of temperature, N1 value is equal to N1 only, that is number of moles initially N1, right? Assuming the volume of the vessel remains constant, the temperature at which vessel has been heated, we have to find it out. The temperature means T2, you have to find it out. But T2 means the heated temperature. If you heat it, what will happen? The number of moles, few moles has been escaped. Few moles has been escaped. How many moles has been escaped? 2 by 5 moles has been escaped. So then N2 that can be taken as N2 can be taken N1 minus 2N1 upon 5. Why? Because 2 by 5 moles has been escaped. Initial moles are N1. After heating, these many moles are escaped. Okay. So N2 will be equal to, how much you will get it, guys? 3N1 upon 5. Where 2N1 minus 5, this part is number of moles escaped. This part is number of moles escaped. But they have given, volume of the vessel remains constant. As you know, ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Volume is constant. So here pressure also constant. Now at constant volume and pressure, N is inversely proportional to temperature. So the equation I can write it as N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2. But I have to calculate the T2. So I can write it as N1 T1 upon N2. Right? I am doing it here. T2 is equal to N1 is N1 only. But T1 what we have? 300 Kelvin upon N2 what we have, guys? 3N1 upon 5. Right? N1 gets cancelled. So T2 will be equal to 5 by 3 into 300. So this will give you 500 Kelvin. Right? So 500 Kelvin is the answer. So option 2 is the correct answer for this. The next question given here, consider the van der Waals constants A and B for the following gases. Gases are given A and B: argon, neon, krypton and xenon. Which gas is expected to have highest critical temperature? These type of questions are very important in JEE Mains, guys. Critical temperature, what is the formula? Tc is equal to 8A by 27 Rb. Now if you see, these are the van der Waals constants A and B, and for whichever the gas whose A by B value is higher, and obviously critical temperature also will be higher. So here A value is more for the krypton, so B value is very less, so obviously A by B value will be more for the krypton. So krypton will have highest critical temperature. So option 1 is the correct answer for this. Let's see the next question, guys. At a given temperature T, gases neon, argon, krypton and xenon found to deviate from ideal gas behavior. So those are considered as real gases, and the equation is given: P is equal to RT upon V minus B. This is the equation given. and B is the van der Waals gas constant. Which gas will exhibit steepest increase in the plot of Z versus P? That means if you draw the graph between Z versus P, which exhibit the steepest increase, that you have to give it, guys. So based on the given expression, if we see P is equal to RT upon V minus P, right? That means, okay, molar volume I am taking it. So this I can write it as PVM minus PB is equal to RT, I can write it. And if you divide whole equation with RT, then PVM by RT minus PB by RT is equal to 1. So PVM by RT is equal to 1 plus PB by RT. So PVM by RT is nothing but Z. 1 plus it is PB upon RT, right? So now you can compare it with the equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus c, right guys? So x axis, that I can take it as pressure. So slope is equal to v upon RT. See guys, whenever higher the value of b, if b value increases, obviously more steep will be there, right? There will be more steep in the curve. So b value increases, then more steep in the curve. So but actually this b value depends on size of the atom or molecule. It depends on size of atom or molecule, and whichever the gas is having highest size, that gas is having high b value. Obviously slope also shows steepest increase. That is possible with the xenon. So xenon will be your correct answer. Hope you understand, children. Right. Hope you got all the question and answers. We will discuss with another chapter in the next session. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. If you have any doubts, post it in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Signing off.